Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing like one of my favorite all-time looks. I'm doing like a rose gold glittery eye. I love glitter and I love rose gold. So I incorporated that in one look. It's kind of not really rose gold, but it low-key is. But I hope you guys enjoy this look. This is definitely a glam look. This is definitely a look I would do going out to the club or going somewhere where I kind of want to be flashy because glitter is really flashy. You know, it's really shiny. You can see it anywhere. It makes you stand out. So I hope you guys like it. And also I want to say thank you so much for all the love and all the support on my last video. I really appreciate that. And also shout out to my brother and the scholars for the music. I'll be playing only his music exclusively on my channel. All right, you guys. Well, stay tuned. Also, don't forget to hit the comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like my video, please. Also, one last thing. Don't forget, after you subscribe, hit the bell so that when I post new videos, you'll get notified. So that way you're not worrying, you're not left out of the loop. You can also get notifications sent right to your phone. All right, you guys. So I hope you like this video. Comment, tell me what kind of looks you guys prefer to see, what you guys want me to do next. And stay tuned for more. So we're gonna go right into our Jaclyn Hill palette in that kind of yellow mustardy color. I'm going to be packing this onto my crease. This is gonna be the first transition shade that I'm doing for this look. So you'll see me just go ahead and put it on in back and forth motion so we can make sure that all of the eyeshadow is coming out evenly. It's not blotchy, it's not leaving spots, making sure that the coverage is there. We don't want too much full coverage. We want just the right amount, just because this is the first transition shade. You guys are gonna see me put on way more different kind of eyeshadows, okay, way more different colors in transition, but this is just the first one. So now we're gonna go into that same Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy palette that I love to use. It's one of my favorite. We're gonna go into one of the lightest shades, which is a matte transition color as well, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that right over that previous color of that Jaclyn Hill palette that I used. I'm gonna go ahead and put it exactly over it, and then I'm going to blend it out. I'm doing the same exact theme that I did with the previous shade, but I'm just adding more color. I'm getting darker and darker gradually. So now we're going back into the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going into more of a brownish, reddish color. So what I'm doing with this color is I am stabbing it on. I know that sounds a bit brutal, but I am stabbing it on in stab-like motions. And I am going back and forth, but this time I'm kind of creating more of like a halo eye, I would say. Not really, but kind of. So this color is very pigmented. I would suggest you guys pick up this palette because this palette is bomb, y'all. And then I'm just blending that out. So I'm using pretty much the same two palettes. So if you guys want to do this look, you don't really need a lot of palettes. You do need a lot of eyeshadows, but you just need a few palettes that have similar like colors if you want to recreate this look. So I'm doing the same thing on the Kylie Cosmetics palette. I am going into that beautiful burgundy shade, and I'm doing stab-like motions, except for this one I'm doing it more so on my lid to create the halo eye, because I want the glitter to be just like in the middle, just like a pop of just like pizzazz, pop of just shine there, and the rest I want to kind of just flow, for it to look beautiful, for it to look pigmented. I want it to look kind of like artwork in a sense. So I just put that in a halo, in a stabbing motions, in a halo direction, and then I am blending that out so that I can make sure that, you know, everything is seamless. I'm going back into that Kylie Cosmetic. I'm going into a burgundy shimmery shade, and I'm going to go ahead and pop that onto the center of my lid. And I'm using just a Morphe brush. This is actually a human hair brush, which doesn't pick up as much pigment as I would like, but it's fine because I was just using this a base for the glitter. So I'm just putting that on. I don't really care if this is blended out as much because, like I said, glitter is going to be right over it. So I'm going in with my NYX glitter primer, and girl, this is life, okay? I'm going in with a very skinny flat brush. I think this is actually a lip gloss brush. So I'm just going to put the glitter primer onto the center of my eye. And I like to do one eye at a time because I don't know why, but when this sits on my eye for too long, it kind of burns. So yeah, so I'm going into some beautiful burgundy glitter that I actually got from Forever 21, and it works bomb. It doesn't even matter where you get your glitter from. I feel like they all work the same, really, you know? So I'm using the same brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and pack on the glitter where I put the glitter primer at. What I like to do is first I like to put a little bit at a time. So you see me just kind of putting a little bit because I'm just mapping out where I put the glitter glue, because it kind of dried a little bit, so I couldn't really tell exactly where I put it. So I was kind of like, is it here, is it there? But I didn't want too much to fall on my face because I hate just cleaning up my face afterwards. So like, okay, that's cool. So then let's do the next eye. So I'm doing the exact same thing on the other eye. I'm just gonna let you guys watch what I do. Now that I got the consistency that I wanted for my glitter, I'm going to go back into that Kylie Cosmetics Burgundy palette, and I'm going to do that same stab-like motions, and I'm creating a deeper burgundy halo around the glitter. So I'm kind of like blending everything together, because I know you can't really blend the glitter, but I want the burgundy eyeshadow to be more visible. You know what I mean? I want it to be more dramatic. I want it to look like one. Like I said before, I just want it to look like artwork, you know? So I'm taking that fluffy blending brush that I always use, and I'm blending out the outer corner so that everything just looks seamless. Everything just looks like it is flowing perfectly. That is exactly the look that I wanted, that I was showing you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, do my eyeliner, pop in some lashes, and I'm gonna come back to y'all. And I'm back, and I'm going to begin working on my bottom lash line. I'm doing the same thing that I did in my transition. I'm starting with that lighter color, then I'm gonna go darker, and then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm sure you guys see me do my lower lash line like multiple millions of times, especially if you follow me on Instagram. You will see me doing this in my little Insta videos. So just keep watching so that you guys can see. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use that same glitter that I popped on the center of my lid, and I'm just going to pop it on the bottom of my eyelid. So you'll see me just putting like a little bit, just kind of like in the center of my eyelid, just kind of trying to keep that same pop going, and that way when I look up, you'll be able to see a little bit of glitter. So now I'm going to go into that Makeup Shayla Perception palette. I'm going to use that really light whitish champagne gold color, and I'm going to pop that onto the center, the corner of my eyes. And I actually wasn't liking the payoff that it was giving me. I thought it was going to kind of give me a little bit more. That's why I made that face like, this ain't it. So I went into that Kylie Cosmetics palette, the burgundy one, and I used her lightest shade that she specifically created for the inner highlight inner highlight. What is it called? The inner eye highlight. That's what it's called, inner eye highlight. So I popped that on, and I was like, okay, this is it. This is it right here. So I kind of like that, so I kept going with it. After that, we are almost done, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the lips. start off with a lip liner that I really like, the NYX Cosmetic. They have like these new matte lip liners, and I think they're called like suede lip liners or something like that, but they're a bomb, you guys. They go on so smooth. They're pretty pigmented, I would say. I mean, not the best, but maybe it's because the colors that I used were kind of light, but I really like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips and go in with a Quickie lipstick by that same Makeup Shaler ColourPop collab. I really love this color. It's like a pretty nude color. It's like a peachish kind of nudish color. I really like it. So after I put that lipstick on, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips once again. This is just to kind of keep that ombre lip effect. Then I'm gonna go into the lip gloss that she created to go with this lip combo, and it's kind of like a goldish lip gloss, and it's really pretty, and it gets really glossy. But I hate that I'm like almost out of it, so I need to get some more. I feel like I never buy the same kind of lip gloss. I just move on to something else. I do have like an Urban Decay one that I'll probably start using too. I don't know. I just can't stick to the same one, guys. I just can't do it. Oh my god, you guys, I totally almost forgot my bottom lash line. How am I gonna forget to not put mascara down there? Like, that is major key right there. I would have went out the house looking hella crazy if I did not put this on. I feel like this really just ties the look together. This makes my eyes pop, makes my eyes look bigger, but most importantly, it just kind of makes me look more finished, I would say. So you see me just popping on my mascara really quick, and this is the final look. Oh my god, I hope you guys love it, because I totally love it. I know I called this a rose gold, but this is definitely a burgundy glittery eye. Thank you for watching. Tune back in for more future videos.